So this is a story about the mantra, and the story is about what happens when you just give without expecting anything in return. Because that's the whole fundamental basis of a good life. Uh, so we always go for a walk, me and my wife, in the night after we have a dinner. It's called Shat Pavan. You walk 100 steps. That's what they call. So we walk for half an hour. And one particular night, when this chest thing was blocked for 2 days, that night when we went for a walk, we saw one young couple, must be 25, 26 years old, and they had a baby in their hand. The baby was so small, literally like must be a few days old. And then the guy came up with the girl, his wife had that little kerchief, like a very innocent kind of a proper good family background. So the guy came to me and said, and I don't know how to go back to my village. So typically you think they are trying to cheat you, right? So wife also looked at me. I looked at him. I said, "Okay, मिला नहीं क्या सुबह से?" And then I said, "Just wait here. We'll finish our walk and then we'll pick you up. I'll give you something. For a walk, you don't carry money. Chaddi and ganji में निकलेगा." So on the way back, I was telling my wife, I said, whatever it is, even if he's lying, which young guy would like to beg in front of his young wife? Everybody is not born entitled, with a house and a family and a car and a flat I said, we'll give him $500. She said, okay. She's used to all this. She said, okay. Then we picked them up. We said, chalo, wahan building hai, we have to go. So we started walking. And then I told her, I said, make it 1,000. She said, okay. Then I said, what if genuinely the ticket is not there to go back? And even if he goes back, he's come all the way here for a job. That means he has no money. So give him 2,000. She said, okay. By the time we reached home and we opened the door, we always cook a little extra food. My grandfather used to say that, if some guests come, there should be enough food in the house. It brings good luck to have that extra food made. So then I said, whatever extra food is made, serve them. She said, okay. And I will make it 5,000. By the time I said that, I couldn't talk anymore. I just wanted to, so I just put on the thing and I went to my room and I started crying. And the magical thing is that the chest blockage which was there, it opened up. You see, the thing is, the act of giving heals you. The act of loving heals you. What more proof you want?